Hello, my name is Vivian Cruz. I am a nurse practitioner, and today I attended the Sculptra training. I love the Sculptra training. It's good for someone who's looking to naturally boost their collagen. I found about Empire Medical training from looking online when I was looking to get into aesthetics on where I can get my training, and Empire Medical training came up and it supplied all the necessary tools that I needed to get started in the industry. Prior to today, I have attended several Empire Medical training courses, from learning how to inject neurotoxin, derma filler. I've also had the PDO threading class and also done some exosomes. I do have a membership with Empire Medical training. I started at the initial level of training, and then I have recently upgraded to the diamond. And so that did include more classes that I was able to attend and advance my trainings. Anyone looking to get into the aesthetics industry, I do highly recommend attending an Empire Medical training. Just getting all the necessary tools and learning, it has all the classes that you would need to get started in the industry.